Okay, so first of all, I will go up to the bar and type CMD and enter to open up the Windows command prompt. Then what I want is a list of all of the files. So I'll type dir/b/s/o and enter. And this gets me a list of all of the files in this folder and all of the files in the subfolders as well, with the file path, which I need in order to make the hyperlinks. Then I'll take these results and pipe them onto the clipboard and enter. And now that I have all of this information on the clipboard, I can open up Excel and Control V to paste it. Then making the hyperlinks is nice and easy. It's equals hyperlink. Then the link location is this cell here and enter. Then I can double click to send that formula down. Now if I click on one of the hyperlinks, it will throw up a warning message saying that the hyperlinks can be harmful. Do you want to continue? And I'll select yes. Then it will open up this file for me. Now you can also have a friendly name in the hyperlinks. So I will move this column along and I want my friendly name to be the name of the file. So I'm going to separate out the folder path until I have just the file on its own. Select everything here and go to Data and Text to Columns. Then split the text by a delimiter, and that delimiter will be a backslash, and that will separate out all of this text into individual columns. Hold down Shift and select all of the columns at the beginning and choose Do Not Import Column because I don't want any of the information in these columns. I do want to keep the whole of the file path here, so I will change the destination to B1 and finish. Now I have all of the files here. Then August and September are the subfolders. I don't want these, so I'm going to delete them. Then select all of the files and click and drag them so they are in the same column. Then delete this column here. Now I can edit the hyperlink to include a friendly name, which will be this cell here, and enter. Then I can double click to fill this formula down. I no longer need to be able to see the information in these two columns, so I'm going to hide this. Then I'll format this column. Go to Home and remove the underline and change the font to black. These hyperlinks will still work. If I click on this one here, it throws up the warning message and I'll select yes. Then it will open this file for me. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to get hyperlinks to files in Excel, and that is everything.